A low-maintenance garden starts with the design. Whether you're starting from scratch or renovating an existing planting bed, consider implementing these few strategies to ensure easy care and long-lasting beauty. Avoid conflicts with overhead and underground utilities. Keep trees and tall shrubs away from overhead utilities to eliminate regular and unnatural pruning needed to keep large plants away from the lines. Check for underground utilities as you plan and before you put the first shovel in the ground. Contact Digger's Hotline for free, either with a call to 811 or by filing a request online at diggershotline.com at least 3 business days before you start digging. They'll contact the appropriate companies who will mark the location of their underground utilities in your work area. This helps eliminate the danger and inconvenience of accidentally knocking out power, cable, and other utilities as you create a beautiful landscape. And if you have to dig within 18 inches of the marks, dig carefully and just with a hand tool. Complete this work right after the appropriate companies have located their underground utilities in your work area, so the marks are fresh and flags in place. Create planting or mulch beds around individual trees and shrubs. You'll reduce mowing time, eliminate hand trimming, and create a better environment for your plants. Design beds with gentle curves and avoid tight angles and corners that make mowing difficult. The smooth curves flow naturally for aesthetic appeal. Edge the beds for easier mowing and to slow the infiltration of weeds into the garden. Dig a V-shaped trench around the edge of the garden. Fill the trench with wood chips or whatever mulch is used inside the planting bed. Just place your mower tire over the mulch-filled trench and eliminate the need to hand trim around the garden. If you opt for edging material, add a mowing strip on the outside for easier maintenance. A narrow band of gravel, pavers, or mulch allows you to run your mower right up to the edging material. Fill the garden with low-maintenance plants suited to the growing conditions. Include a variety of plants so your landscape will be filled with colorful blooms, attractive foliage, and interesting seed heads for year-round beauty. Design pathways and steppers within your beds for easy access to all the plants throughout the garden bed. If it's easy to reach all parts of the garden, you're more likely to weed, mulch, and keep your plants looking their best. Designing with maintenance in mind means you'll spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying the beauty you've created. And remember, every landscape project, no matter how large or small, includes contacting Digger's Hotline for free with a call to 811 or by filing a request online at diggershotline.com at least 3 business days before the first shovel goes into the ground.